Hello everyone, I am Lokesh and welcome back to the channel. So friends, this video is very good for the freshers graduates batch. There is a walk-in drive direct hiring opportunity for 23, 22, 21 batch from TCS, Casedra and two different companies. Any course branch can apply. How to apply for this opportunity? Date is 23rd May 2023. That is related to walk-in drive. Let's start the video. This all videos are for all of you. Like and share the video with your friends. First opportunity is from Casedra Technology Solution Private Limited at Coimbatore location on 23rd May. There is a hiring, okay, like walk-in drive. So basically, if you are from BE, CS, IT, BTech, MCA, MSc, 22, 23 pass out, immediate joiner, you can apply, okay. So basically, you have to click on this form. So the form is related to the Microsoft form. You have to fill all of your details. I checked all the like opportunity that is related to walk-in drive, and this is all the genuine hiring. So the second opportunity, second hiring or opportunity from DSUN Technology Private Limited, and they are conducting a mega walk-in drive for both freshers and experience on 20 May 2023, means tomorrow at Kolkata. So basically 11 to 2 p.m. is the interview details, and the time documents required is this. You can apply from this form and basically immediate joiners are preferred. So this is the form that is related. So the next hiring is from NetRinch, and it is hiring for the freshers batch. Hyderabad is the location. Primary skills is this: if you are from 21, 22, 23 batch, any diploma, graduate, postgraduate, apply. No branch criteria is there. You have to share your profile at this email ID, and this is official from the netrinch.com. So basically you have to this type of primary skills. Last opportunity is from TCS BPS walk-in drive, and basically it is posted by Supriya Iyer, and she is from campus recruitment lead at Tata Consultancy Services. So drive date is 20 May 2023. Drive venue is Ahmedabad location, 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. and basically role is backend operation. Eligibility is full-time graduate from BCom, BA, BBA, BSc 21, 22 and 23. Location is Gandhinagar. So the 1, 2, 3, 4 hiring are very good for the freshers batch. Walk-in drive must apply. Thanks for watching the video.